How can I fix the issue of iPhone showing incorrect battery percentage?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to address an issue that some iPhone users may be facing, an incorrect battery percentage display. This problem can be puzzling, but fortunately, there are a few troubleshooting steps that can help resolve it.
Why is my iPhone showing the wrong battery percentage?
Before we dive into the solution, it's crucial to understand the possible causes. The iPhone calculates battery percentage based on algorithms that take into account the rate of power usage and the battery's charge capacity. If these calculations get confused, it may result in an incorrect battery percentage being displayed.
How to calibrate the battery?
The first approach you can take is to calibrate the battery. 1. Drain your iPhone's battery completely by using it until it powers off on its own. 2. After it's switched off, leave it that way for a few hours to ensure the battery is fully drained. 3. Following this, charge your iPhone to 100% without interruption. 4. Once fully charged, reset your iPhone by holding the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. Remember, this process may take a while, but it often solves the problem.
What if battery calibration does not work?
If calibrating your iPhone's battery doesn't resolve the issue, updating your iOS could be the next step. 1. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. 2. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. 3. If an update is available, tap Download and install. This can potentially fix any bugs that might be causing the battery percentage display issue.
How to factory reset your iPhone?
As a last resort, if neither calibration nor software updates work, a factory reset might be necessary. Remember, this should be your last option as it will erase all the data on your device. Make sure to back up your data before proceeding. 1. Go to Settings, General, Reset. 2. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Once your iPhone restarts, set it up as a new device, and check if the battery percentage display issue is resolved. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving the issue of your iPhone displaying an incorrect battery percentage. Remember to be patient and follow each step carefully. If the issue persists even after trying all these steps, we recommend contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store, as there could be a hardware issue with your iPhone's battery. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.